guys, welcome back to Dodo Mix. Today's recipe is everyone's all-time favorite. No matter what our ages, everyone loves to eat noodles and as well as to cook. For an alternate, let's make a healthy protein-rich masala noodles. These are the ingredients required. Let's get started. To the hot pan, add 2 cups of water. One tablespoon oil. Now I'm adding 3 large packets of noodles. It's of your choice guys, you can go with Yippee, Maggi, Top Ramen, whatever you want. Boil it just for 2 minutes and it is ready. Keep it aside. Now to the heated pan, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 chopped green chilies, some curry leaves and 1 finely chopped onion. Now I'm adding 20 small beans in a grated form. Sort this well. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Look at it guys, it's more like a salad now. At this stage, let's add 1 cup of freshly boiled green peas. Also make sure the green peas are not hard. After giving it a mild cook, separate the vegetables and make some space in between. Now in this, let's add 3 raw eggs. And by this way, this noodles is going to give us lots and lots of proteins. And vegetarians can skip this. And look at the healthy masala guys. Now let's add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and some butter. Now let's add the noodles taste maker and along with 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, chili powder and garam masala. Add some water and mix this well. Now at this perfect stage, let's add the boiled noodles. Mix it well so that the masala gets absorbed evenly in the noodles. Also if you wish, you can add some salt. And finally, half tablespoon soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix this together. And that's it guys, our instant healthy Yippee Masala noodles is now ready. I'll not prefer you to take noodles often, but whenever you're doing, go with this method so that you get lots of healthy and protein rich content. Try and have this healthy noodles recipe at your home and also like, share and subscribe to Dodo Mix. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care everyone. Bye bye.